If you do a local job, you might be wealthy at your last age. But why are you trying to become wealthy in one day by doing Forex trading? Forex trading is not gambling. If you see it like that, you will lose all your money day by day. Now listen to me. Follow my rules. You will not lose your account anymore. Even you will be a millionaire in a few years. You want home runs? Big wins. 50 pips in 5 minutes. You want to double your account by Friday? That is not trading. That is gambling. And gambling will empty your account faster than anything else. The real money, the consistent money, comes from something boring. One trade, one day, 1%. That is it. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. No more indicators. No secrets. Just one trade per day, targeting 1% growth. Boring but rich. Let me ask you something. How many trades did you take yesterday? Be honest. 5, 10, 20. And after all those trades, were you up or were you down, exhausted, and angry at yourself? Most traders take too many trades because they are bored. They sit in front of screens all day, clicking because they need action. They turn trading into a video game, and then they wonder why they lose. Here is the truth. The market does not need you to trade every hour. The market does not need you to trade every candle. The market will be there tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that. You are the one who will burn out if you do not slow down. So let me introduce you to the one trade, one day, 1% rule. It is simple. Every day, you are allowed exactly one trade. Not two, not three, one. You will risk no more than 1% of your account on that trade, and your target is 1% profit. That is it. If you win, you close the laptop. You are done for the day. You have made your 1%. If you lose, you close the laptop. You are done for the day. You lost your 1%. No revenge. No second chance. No, just one more, because this setup looks perfect. One trade, win or lose. Walk away. Why does this work? Let me give you 3 reasons. Reason number 1. It kills revenge trading. Revenge trading happens when you lose and immediately try to win it back. With the one trade rule, there is no immediate. There is no second trade. You lose, you stop. The loss stays small. Your emotions stay calm. And you live to trade tomorrow. Reason number 2. It protects your psychological capital. Trading is not just about money. It is about mental energy. Every trade you take uses a piece of your focus, your patience, your discipline. After 5 trades, you are not thinking clearly. After 10 trades, you are guessing. After 20 trades, you are gambling. One trade keeps your mind fresh. One trade keeps your decisions sharp. Reason number 3. It forces you to be selective. When you only have one trade per day, you cannot take every setup. You cannot chase every move. You have to wait. You have to watch. You have to choose the best opportunity, not the first opportunity. That patience alone will double your win rate. I promise you. Now, let me give you the exact step-by-step to implement the one trade, one day, 1% rule starting tomorrow morning. Step 1. Before the market opens, Write down your 1% risk amount. If your account is $1,000, your risk is $10. If your account is $500, your risk is $5. If your account is $100, your risk is $1. Write it down, tape it to your screen. That number is your boundary. You do not cross it. Step 2. Wait for your setup. Do not take the first candle. Do not trade the news. Do not trade because you are bored. Wait for your specific, predefined setup, support and resistance, supply and demand, moving average crossover. Whatever your strategy is, wait for it like a hunter, not a machine gun. Step 3. Enter the trade with your predefined risk. 1%, no more. Set your stop loss immediately. Set your take profit at 1%. Then walk away. Do not sit and watch. Do not stare at every tick. Do not move your stop loss. Do not move your take profit. Let the trade breathe. Step 4. Win or lose, close the laptop. If you win, celebrate. You made 1%. That is a good day. If you lose, accept it. You lost 1%. That is a small loss. Either way, you are done. Go outside, call a friend, cook a meal. Do anything except look at charts. Step 5. Journal the trade. What was your setup? Did you follow your rules? Yes or no? If no, why? If yes, what could you improve? This journal is your training ground. After 30 days, you will see patterns. Maybe you win more on Tuesdays. Maybe you lose more after lunch. Maybe you break rules when you are tired. The journal will tell you, and what you measure, you can improve. Now let me address the objections I know are running through your head. Objection 1. 1% is too small. I will never grow my account. Let me do the math for you. If you make 1% every trading day, that is about 20% per month. Compounded over 12 months, $1,000 becomes almost $10,000. 1% per day, not 10%, not 20%, 1%. Slow but rich. Objection 2. What if I miss a huge move? What if the market runs without me? The market always gives another opportunity. Always. There is no such thing as the last trade. The trader who chases every move dies broke. The trader who waits for their setup dies rich. Objection 3. I cannot just take one trade. I love trading. I love watching charts. I understand. But ask yourself this. Do you love trading, or do you love losing? Because taking more trades does not make you more money. It makes you more exposed to your worst impulses. One trade protects you from yourself. Now, let me tell you a story about a trader I know. Call him Mark. Mark used to take 20 to 30 trades per day. He sat at his screen for 12 hours. He ended every day exhausted and red. Then he tried the one-trade rule. The first week, he almost went crazy. He wanted to click, he wanted to chase, but he forced himself to stop after one trade. The second week, it got easier. The third week, he started winning. After 3 months, Mark was profitable for the first time in 2 years. He did not get smarter. He did not find a secret indicator. He just stopped overtrading. He took one trade, one day, 1%. And his account grew. Not fast, but steady. That can be you. But you have to commit. Not for one day, not for 1 week. For 90 days. 90 days of one trade per day. 90 days of 1% risk. 90 days of closing the laptop after one trade. That is your challenge. If you can do that for 90 days, two things will happen. 1, your account will grow. 2, you will become a completely different trader. A trader who is calm. A trader who is patient. A trader who follows rules. A trader who wins. Remember how we started this video. If you do a local job, you might be wealthy at your last stage. But you are here because you want more. You want freedom. You want time with your family. You want to escape the 9 to 5. That is possible. But not in one day. Not in 1 week. Forex trading is not a lottery ticket. It is a skill. And like any skill, it takes time to master. The traders who become millionaires did not do it overnight. They did it one trade at a time, 1% at a time, 1 day at a time. That is your path. Not gambling, not revenge, not overtrading. Just one trade, 1 day, 1%. Boring, but rich. Here is your assignment for tonight. Before you sleep, write down 3 numbers. Your account size, your 1% risk amount, your 1% profit target. Tape those numbers to your screen. Tomorrow morning, you will take exactly 1 trade. No more. Win or lose, you will close the laptop. You will journal the trade, and you will come back the next day to do it again. 1 trade, 1 day, 1%. Boring, but rich. Your journey to millionaire starts tomorrow, not next week. Not when you feel ready, tomorrow. 1 trade, win or lose, walk away. Go become boring. Go become profitable. Go become a millionaire in a few years.